Are you a diet zombie? Do you shuffle through your day fueled by sugar crashes and processed food fatigue? Well, fear not. Today, we're breaking the cycle and building your personalized perfect plate. A delicious and nutritious roadmap for incredible energy and a healthy body. Hey wise warriors, feeling sluggish can be a real drag. But the good news is you have the power to change that. Food isn't just fuel, it's like an information superhighway for your body. And just like your phone needs the right apps to function at its best, your body needs the right nutrients to thrive. Ready to ditch the diet zombie life and become a radiant health warrior? Then smash that subscribe button right now so you don't miss a single bite-sized fact in this information-packed video. And even though you can't see me, I promise this won't be boring. In fact, we'll have some fun along the way thanks to my amazing and hilarious daughter. Studies show that a balanced plate rich in diverse nutrients is key to optimal health. Research by the National Institute of Health suggests it can boost energy levels, improve cognitive function, and even reduce risk of chronic diseases. So, let's build that perfect plate together. Imagine your plate is a superhero's training ground. It needs to be filled with powerful, energizing foods. And guess what? Those superpowers come mainly from plant-based heroes like fruits and veggies. That's right. Experts recommend that half your plate should be filled with colorful arrays of these all-stars. Think sliced bell peppers, broccoli florets, cherry tomatoes. The more colorful, the more vitamins and antioxidants you're getting. And don't forget about fruits. Berries, sliced oranges, or a handful of grapes are all excellent choices. But before we continue, let's have a little fun. Here's my daughter's joke. Get ready to laugh. Why do you tell actors to break a leg? Because every play has a cast. Funny, right? She's awesome. Can't wait for tomorrow's joke. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video or check out our daily shorts videos. Now, let's fill the remainder half of our plate with another group of all-stars, whole grains and protein. Here's the key. The amount of protein you need depends on your goals. Weight loss. If you're trying to shed some pounds, aim for a slightly smaller protein portion, taking up about 1/4 of your plate. Muscle gain. Building muscles require more protein for repair and growth. In this case, protein can take up closer to 1/3 of your plate. General health. Regardless of your goals, lean protein is essential. Think grilled chicken, fish, beans, tofu, or even eggs. Remember, animal protein is great, but it shouldn't be the star of the show, especially if you're aiming to lose weight. Focus on incorporating a variety of plant-based protein sources like beans or lentils to fill the rest. And don't forget about the supporting cast. Low-fat dairy like small yogurt or a glass of milk can provide a calcium boost for strong bones and teeth. Healthy fats found in nuts, seeds, or avocados are also essential for brain health, keeping you feeling satisfied and absorbing certain vitamins. Imagine them as the oil that keeps your superhero machine running smoothly. Alright, so you've got our colorful fruits and veggies, our lean protein powerhouses, and a sprinkle of healthy fats. Is that it? Well, almost. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and energy levels. Water should be your go-to beverage, but unsweetened tea or black coffee are also acceptable choices. What about portion sizes? This is a great question. Studies suggest using your hand as a guide. Your palm is roughly the size of a good-sized protein serving. Your fist is about the size of a serving of vegetables. And a cupped hand represents a serving of fruits. Of course, this is a general guideline and you may need to adjust based on your individual needs and goals. Let's recap. Your ideal healthy plate should look something like this. Half filled with colorful fruits and vegetables. 1/4 to 1/3 filled with lean protein, depending on your goals. 1/4 filled with whole grains. A small serving of low-fat dairy, optional. A sprinkle of healthy fats. A glass of water on the side. This is just a blueprint though. Feel free to get creative and explore a diverse range of delicious and nutritious options with each category. Remember, a balanced plate is a colorful plate packed with the nutrients your body needs to thrive. We all know life can get hectic, so planning your meals and prepping some healthy snacks in advance can be a game changer. Think of it as assembling your superhero utility belt. Having healthy options readily available makes it easier to resist unhealthy temptations. Even a little bit of planning goes a long way. On Sundays, maybe chop up some veggies for the week or pre-portion some nuts and dried fruits for easy snacking. Remember, a little effort up front can save you time and frustration later. So, forget the diet zombie routine. Build your perfect plate with delicious plant-based foods, colorful fruits and veggies, and lean protein sources. Don't forget whole grains, healthy fats, and low-fat dairy to round out your nutritional arsenal. With a little planning and these awesome tips, you'll be well on your way to feeling energized and ready to conquer your day. Want even more healthy recipe ideas and meal prep inspiration? Be sure to subscribe for more videos and join our vibrant Facebook community page where we share healthy tips, recipes, and support each other on our health journeys. Remember, wise warriors, you are capable of incredible things. Fuel your body right and watch yourself soar.